Hello, Aries. Here to deliver some soul vibrational messages. This is a general timeless energy reading by Soul Vibrations. Today, I'll be using tarot and I'll be pulling a card from the Law of Attractions Oracle cards. I'll also be using my pendulum to check on your chakras or your auras, however you resonate more with. And just as a quick reminder, this is again a general energy reading. Also, please check your other placements for additional messages. I can't even talk with you. Additional messages, and also I will not ever send you any messages regarding my services, Aries. If I hope that if you're interested in a personal energy reading, that you would please come to me. Either send me an email or a message through TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, but you'll never receive a message from me regarding my services again. So with that said, I've shuffled and premeditated on your energy, focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. And I pulled 3 cards, and so I'll begin with the first one. It's the 10 of Wands, the 8 of Cups, and the 5 of Cups. Okay, I'll speak about the elements first. I feel a little weird. Okay, so Wands, they speak about our inspiration, our creativity, our actions, ideas, our energy flow. Is the fire within ourselves, okay? Our energy. So cups is our emotions, our spirituality, our feelings. And I'm not getting too hot of a feeling here. I do send you love and light for you, Aries, because I feel some heaviness here, like burdens, like being too heavy on you. This is a little bit of an imbalanced energy. Is like burdens, obligations, it's like wanting to release. But it also, 10 does speak about completion. So 10 is the number of fulfillment. It signals the end of a journey. So and it also brings us back to number 1. So it can mean like renewal and just full saturation of something, right? But I see a detachment. There's a pull away from your emotions here. It's moving on. It's at a turning point. It's leaving the old behind, definitely moving on. And here it's change. It can be, which is uncomfortable a lot of the times. It's upheaval. This speaks about conflict, rebuilding, uncertainty. But then also 5 is always seeking and curious. It needs absolute freedom, and definitely not a planner, not the number 5. But it is restless. It's a number that is very restless. And so that's the kind of energy that I'm feeling. And so there's definitely a need to ground yourself. And I'm speaking about like maybe like your earth element within yourself. It's where it's probably lacking. I also feel like this kind of energy, you'll be feeling it during the eclipse season, or you're starting to feel it and you'll finally be able to like move on during eclipse season probably. We do have an eclipse on October 14th. So really like just coming up really soon. Again, this is timeless, and it's just, but I'm just saying there is, definitely some heavy energy feeling here. Definitely sadness and mourning or disappointment of some sort. And so if you are in that state of mind, if you are mourning, allow yourself to be that. But you got to release it, because it's weighing really heavy on you, on your energy. You're probably lethargic, just tired, not really having that, like your fire is low. And that's not you, Aries. You're the life of the party too. You know what I'm saying? You're positive, you're independent, you're sincere, straightforward honesty, you know? Um, you're very vigorous and inventive and creative. So, just know that these are passing moments, Aries. You are not alone. And just sending you the best of vibes. Now let's see what else you need to hear. Something positive. What is Aries attracting? Oop. Okay, this one jumped. Give me a second. It came with fire. Okay. Affluence. Look how beautiful this card is. I choose to be debt-free and to live an affluent and healthy life. Yes, please. Yes, I choose to be debt-free and to live an affluent and healthy life. Beautiful. Now I'll be checking on your chakras. What else to bring in more flow for the sign of Aries? Where can Aries shed light? Definitely, thank you. Okay, so this confirms me. I mean, you are my last sign that I'm doing for the day, and I'm saying, like, this is collectively, this has been speaking to most of all of the signs. If you go and look at your other placements or just in general, you would probably see the same ones. Crown chakra and base chakra. It has been, but for you, as I feel the pull going this way right before it, it's circulated. So I feel like you really need to focus up on your heart. Your heart is the filter to both your spirit, your physical, and the spiritual side of you. So look into all your chakras. Really look into again, from your self-esteem to your voice to your intuition to your heart to your roots, So the ones that you did get was base chakra and crown chakra, which is a color red and violet or purple. And base chakra speaks to the connection to earth. Be outside, feel the sand in your feet, your grass, even cement, but just be out there. Take your pets on a walk, or just simply stand out there for a little bit, feel its groundingness. It does speak about grounding. It is your stability, balance, trust, physical health, your strength, family, roots, security, what makes you feel secure, your survival, prosperity. Your crown chakra speaks to the connection to the universe, to your spirituality, your awareness, your consciousness, your wisdom, meaning, inner joy, your peace, your wholeness. What makes you feel whole? What brings you peace? What makes you feel secure, So again, Aries, thank you so much for your time and attention, and I send you the best of vibes, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you so much. Ciao.